What is spirulina? This is spirulina. Spirulina is a common name for the species Arthrospira plantensis. Spirulina is a free-floating cyanobacteria, often called a blue-green algae. Even though it's not a true algae, they have multicellular trichomes shaped in a helix and can lengthen in low light to increase their surface area for more light absorption or shrink in high light to reduce radiation. They reproduce by binary fission and can be 2 to 16 microns in length. Cyanobacteria is the most efficient organism at sequestering carbon and is responsible for over 50% of the oxygen in every breath you take. Spirulina occurs naturally in tropical and subtropical waters with alkaline pH. Spirulina cultivation dates back thousands of years in parts of Mexico and Africa, and in 1974, spirulina was declared by the United Nations as the best food for the future. In 2008, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization released a report in which they urged governments to reevaluate the potential of spirulina to fulfill food security needs. I found it reassuring that NASA had used it successfully as a dietary supplement for astronauts on space missions. It's arguably the most nutritionally dense food in the world. It's composed of 60 to 70% protein of its dry weight and is high in calcium, iron, magnesium, omega-3 and 6, and B vitamins. Because of its ease of cultivation and high nutritional value, spirulina is given to malnourished populations to improve health and standards of living. And that is spirulina.